Hi YouTubers, welcome back to my next video. In this video we are going to start a new project, and in this we will be mainly concentrating about routes concept. So how the navigation takes place and all we'll check in this video. Okay, without wasting time, let us start our new blank project with Angular and with tabs as usual. So in my all videos you will be getting tabs. Okay, I'll be working out with only tabs. So, and here I have not integrated the capacitor. We will be doing with Cordova. So I will be mainly focusing on Cordova, and all the series you will be finding that I will be using Cordova on native packages of Ionic. Capacitor, yes, you can go with the capacitor, but I prefer Cordova. So basically I made my system in the fashion that Cordova makes everything for me. So okay, so let us check what are the things which we have got here. So it's going on, package is still running. Okay, so it's still running. Let's make it in background and let us check. So here is the source, and as usual Angular folder we get. So basically it has an app where tabs we have, and the app component we have, the app module. It's the first pages which they load, and then it goes inside and inside. Okay, so in this folder we need to create some more folders. As usual, if you have seen my previous video, then you will be knowing that what are the folders I create. Basically we create components. Next folder will be like pages. Next folder will be like guards. Next folder will be like services which we require, right? So these are the folders basically which I require right now, and few more pages we will be creating. So that's the reason pages we have created. And basically I don't like this tab structure, so what I'll do, I'll copy some of the content from this tab, and then we will have two more pages like home page and index page, where index page will be like normal pages without authentication. If you want any authentication in your website, then if authentication pages will be always comes with home slash the page name. Okay, so that's the reason. So we have these guards. So we will have a home guard and also a index guard, where index guard no authentication is required, but home guard, yes, if there is an authentication, then only these pages will be allowed. Okay, so that's a basic scenario what we are going to do. I don't want to create an account, that's it. We are good to go. Let us navigate to our folder. Here we went out to our folder, and let us create some pages. Ionic generate page. First of all, we create an index page. Okay, so always remember, create an index page. No, I don't want to create any analytics. Then create a home page. The order is very important. I have faced problems. Okay, so that's the reason. Now we'll create some pages like pages inside a folder, or pages like login page. In this scenario I will not be explaining more about the designing concept or design or CSS kind of thing. Register. Okay, register page. Then we will be having like forgot password. Next we will be having some dashboard page. Dashboard page will be like when it is authenticated, login is created successfully, then it moves to dashboard. So that's the reason I am creating this dashboard page. And the welcome page, to welcome, as soon as the app opens it shows a welcome page, then it goes to navigate to login. Then from login, if they want to register, then navigate to register, then navigate to forgot password, those things basically. So here we will be having. Okay, so basically in this navigation routes concept we will be finishing out here, and I don't think much more is required in this. And services we will be seeing next time, guards we will be seeing next time, components we will be seeing in the next videos, upcoming videos. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll open it in the Visual Code Studio Code, or you can have any code editor. Okay, so this is what I got it. Done. So let us go to source folder and app folder, right? This is where we will be working it out. You can see here Ionic router outlet. We have the router concept. So that's it. Here you have a router concept, and this is the app module where you will be, if you want to add more, import some modules, then you can import, but basically in this video we will not be concentrating in this parts. Okay, so we are removing this tabs concept. Actually, now we don't require it. Basically it's an index, we will be keeping blank, and a home, this is also a blank, and remaining all parts we will keep aside. Okay. We'll make it later. Let us have this. No, we'll remove it. Basically this is how we want a routing concept. Next let us go to tabs. I'm coming from down. Okay, so here you have tabs like tab pages and the router, tabs router. So this router, let us copy this whole thing, and in index file what we'll do, we'll create one index router.ts. Okay, so basically we have a routing router, but we'll not be using that router, we'll be using our customized router. So here you go with the customized router, and this is what is index page. Okay, so index page need to be fixed from index page. Okay, so index page you got it here top. Okay, so this index page is nothing but this is the index page, and path is like empty. If empty it is, then what I want to do is I want to show the welcome page. Okay, so if it is empty, then I want to show welcome. Okay, welcome, and here as usual we need to load it. Well, where is the welcome page, we need to tell them. So it is like I need to go outside of the folder. Let me create one for you. I need to go outside of the folder, then you can find pages, then navigate to your welcome folder, then go to your welcome module. Right here also welcome page module. Okay, welcome page module has been imported successfully. Similarly I want to have login, similarly I want to have register, similarly I want to have the forgot password. Okay, so here you go with this small things, no need. Pages, then you have your login, then you have your login module. Okay, here is like login page, next is your like pages slash register folder, then you have your register module. Okay, I think spelling mistake, register, be careful with your spellings, and also case, uppercase and lower cases. Next will be like pages forgot password, slash, I don't think forgot password is, it's in this fashion, it's a hyphen actually, so let us have it in hyphen, and then forgot password, we have this. Otherwise let us have this everything in properly. Okay, pages, then go to forgot password, then forgot password module. Very good. In this forgot password page module, right, you got your these all things. Then redirection, we have informed him. If it is like blank, then you need to go there, and also here also we will inform the same. And one more thing, your forgot password page module has been imported, so let me remove it, it's not required. And here it is like, it's an index router. Okay, we need to export, so we got it as an index router. And next, what the thing is you need to do is, you need to remove this router concept and you need to import this router basically. Okay, here your router has been imported, and this router I need to remove it. That's it. This is the index router which has been initialized right now. Now similarly, if you want, you can go with the home router as well. You need to, I will, let me create home router.ts. As usual, index router, just copy that and just paste it here. This is index, and so that's the reason remove it as a home. Okay, so wherever there is an index and it's a case sensitive, okay, replace it with home, replace. And wherever it is like capital I, you replace it with capital H, replace all. Okay, so home router is also ready. Now it's a home page, and down it's like home router. Okay, so now basically in home the path will be like home, as usual I told, home slash, you will be getting like dashboard. Okay, pages, let me give it as a dashboard here. This is a dashboard page, and this will be also a dashboard page module. Okay, and remember rest of the things, as you create pages you will be adding these all things. So let me comment it right now, and if control Z, if it is blank, what I will do, we will go for home slash dashboard. Okay, and this is also home slash dashboard. We'll navigate to home slash dashboard. If it is empty, means when we implement guards, okay, when we implement guards, what happen is, it will check. Here we will be having a can active guard. Okay, can active guard. So at that time, if we will be redirecting from the this index page to the home page, so at that time it will check and it will redirect to, it will be blank, that's why our app will be blank. So whenever it is blanks and it redirects, so it directly need to comes to dashboard page, home slash dashboard page. That's the routing concept basically. That's it. And one more thing is like, I need to add in the modules. So here is called, here you have like home router, right? This is the home router which we have added right now. So that's it. Okay, now basically to implement the home and index is like blank, we don't want this tabs concept, but we want this tab concept. Okay, we need this tab concept in what we call home router. So what we do, we paste it here, home tab, and also we tell them that tab name is dash. Okay, dashboard, here we can give the name like dash board. Okay, so basically you can able to see that it's something is missing. what you can able to do is here schema, you can add no error schema. Okay, no error schema I have added basically here, and also okay, no error schema has been added, and also just import this no input in here as well, no error schema, right? Let me fix it, add no error schema from this module. Okay, so as soon as you go to index page also, here it will also show errors. Basically, to remove these errors, what we call is like, see, if ion header is not unknown element for it, so to get it solved, what we will do is we'll add some more here schemes. So schemas, you have no error schema and custom element schema. So let me add custom element schema as well. Okay, so here you got the custom element schema. So let me add this custom element schemas and everything in index page array. Okay, in app module, app component you have. So let me close this out, module export, and right. Okay, so basically home, now home router you have, and one more app routing module. Let me close this app routing module, index router you have, and here is also the errors you can able to see here. Also what I'll do, I'll remove it from here right now, and I'll add it in the core modules. Okay, so just add this schemes or schemas, whatever it is. Sorry for the mispronounce. So here you go with schema. Okay, so let me import these things. I need to import the both, so that's the reason, and you can find no errors. In the home page we have implemented the tabs concept. Okay, and in this index page what we'll do is we will router outlet, we'll have a router outlet concept here. Okay, we'll have this router outlet concept here. So home page is done, and this router is not required, not at all required right now, and this is also not at all required. We have removed it from our pages, and yes, here we have errors. So if you anyhow we will be removing this thing, but time being what I'll do is I'll import it. Okay, so that there will not be any errors here. Okay, so that's all routing what we have done. So hope you have gone step by step. Nothing has been done, 2 pages has been created. Okay, so many pages has been created, but in these 2 pages, home page and index page, what I have done, some changes, routing concept has been implemented here. So let me see ion serve, let me do an ion serve, and let me check how the navigation is going on. Oh, I'll show you. You can have a note of each things. Why? Because I when I was studying, it made me many problems for me. So basically what we have done is home page. This is what we have done. You can take a screenshot of it. Okay, and this home router module, this is what we have done. Okay, we you can remove these things. Ng module, these things we have not used, so we can remove this. Okay, basically these two things what we have done here. Basically you can able to see welcome page has been loaded. Okay, it's redirecting to the welcome page. Always it redirect to the welcome page. Why? Because in index page it goes here, and router outlet concept we have implemented here, and here we have told them it to go to welcome page. So basically it's a welcome page module you have here. Okay, so next you have the logging as well. Okay, but I can see that no pages has no information is been loaded, right? Login, register, sorry, spelling mistake, Gister. Okay, next is your home slash what we call dashboard. We have implemented, right? This is a dashboard which we have implemented, right? So basically that has been not been implemented, so we are getting error with this the dashboard which we have written. And if it is like blank, and it goes to welcome, basically. Hmm. So some more modifications I think we need to do, we have not done yet. App router module, it's going here and there. Here is app and router concept. Here also you have an error, so that's the reason I think we are unable to, it is unable to load. Let me check this module, and here you go with the schema. Let me import these schemas for you. Quick fix. This made us very simple, and here you go with no errors. Okay, so here you go with the pages, and here you go with the, here you have a welcome, but due to schemas we are unable to, I think, get it done. Let me add for you. Let me pause it and let me add these things, and let me come back. Okay, in from all the modules. I have added all the schemas to all my modules. Okay, and one more thing is you need to add this exports. Always you need to export your router module. Okay, so index router I have been exported, and here is like you need to export your already exports. I have exported this module. Okay, router module. So as soon as you export, and next what happen is your this thing here you got your, as soon as server starts it redirects to welcome. Next next if you want to navigate to login, so here you login page, then register, so register, and then your forgot password. I have forgot password in this fashion. However, how you will be writing it here, see index router, how you will be mentioning it here, it will be same as usual. So next will be like home slash dashboard. Okay, so all the pages has been done. In my next video what I'll explain you is like I'll not explain the guards straightforward. What we'll go with is like we will go with why, because why I'm not going to guards is as soon as I start guards, so you will be abstract with this internal pages. These pages cannot be accessed. And one more thing is you need storage services. Some of the services are required to check it whether those things, like how we will check. I'll give you an idea. Like we'll store some values as soon as authentication has been done. We'll store some values in the DB. Then we'll always verify that if it is checked, then only this page will be activated and it will be loaded. Okay, if the value is present, if that value is present. Okay, storage, with the storage we have key and value, so we'll check the key. So what say is if this key's value is present or not. If it is present, then only we'll load, otherwise we'll not load. So we'll not go with that, we'll go with the services. Basically, first of all, we'll go with the services. Let me show you some of these services. Let me, what I'll do, I'll show you like UI development in the next video. Like I'll add in welcome pages some slides. Okay, and a button where you'll be having the welcome. Let's get started. As soon as you click, then you'll be login, you'll be navigated to the login. Those things we'll be seeing. Okay, in our next video. I think the video which I have made is quite a bit long. I hope you like this video. If you are interested in this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.